Today we'd like to take a minute to talk about the LIMO connectors that MICROQ uses in many places on our measurement systems. LIMO provides a high-quality electrical connection as well as mechanical features to make sure the plug doesn't become disengaged during your measurement. To release the cable, we need to pull back on the barrel to make sure that the latching mechanism disengages before we start to pull the cable out. And we always want to make sure that we are in front of the boot so that we're not pulling on the wire itself. When you go to insert the cable into your system, you want to make sure that the dot on the connector is aligned with the dot on the plug so that we make sure we have the right orientation. And now we can just insert it. And now we have the cable inserted into the plug. Once you're done with your measurements, the proper way is to pull back on the knurled part again so that latch releases and the plug should easily come out. If you feel that it's not released, check that you're pulling on the right part of the connector. It should not be hard to disengage. Another thing to notice is that many of the LIMOs on our system have the same size, and you want to make sure that you have the proper pins of the cable to the connector so that you don't force the pins and bend them.